Okay, grade 3, as you know that we have started the unit living things. So, in this unit, we are going to know about the 5 main animal groups. Let's see which are these groups. Let's have a look at the 5 different groups. The first group is amphibians. Here are some pictures of amphibians like frog, salamander. Amphibians live on land and in water. They lay their eggs in water. The second group is reptiles. Here are some pictures of reptiles. Lizard, snake. Reptiles live in water and on land. They lay their eggs on land. They have scales and are cold blooded. This means that they cannot warm by themselves and need to be in a warm place. As they cannot keep warm by themselves, so they cannot live in climate of cold area. Now the third group is mammals. Here you can see some pictures of mammals. Lion, zebra. Mammals usually have hair or fur. We, human beings, are also mammals. Mammals' babies are born alive. That means mammals don't lay eggs. The mothers feed their babies milk. The fourth group in the animal groups is fish. Here you can see the pictures of different fish, clownfish and neon tetrafish. Fish live in water. They lay their eggs also in water. They have fins instead of legs and gills instead of lungs so that they can breathe. So they breathe with the help of these body parts. The final and last group is birds. Here are the pictures of some birds, like you can see penguins, mandarin duck. So, what are the features of birds? Birds have a beak, wings, feathers, and 2 legs. They lay eggs also. So, I hope you all understand about the 5 animal groups. Now, there is a short work for you. You have to sort the animals whose pictures you can see in the video. In the first, you have to adopt the pictures of mammals. Then you have to make the pictures of reptiles. And then in the last column, you have to make the pictures of amphibians. And in this table, you have to sort the animals like fish. In second, you have to sort them as birds. And the last column is insects. And this work is very easy. If you will watch the whole video, you will understand how you have to do the work. Thank you.